Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, hey traders, I want to share something interesting with you that I noticed recently, and I want to share it with you. Now let me go to the charts. What I want to do right here is to the right here, I'm going to just make this the Dow Jones. Alright, so I'm going to make this no link here. I'm going to go to the weekly chart, see if I can go back to that weekly chart. Let's go to 7 days. I'm trying to get back to 2008. Man, let's even go to 8 days here. So I'm going to go to 8 day time frame. And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to go back to the 2000 Evan. Did you get that? 2000 Evan? All right, so let's go down to, this one here. Man, gold is just taking off, isn't it? Gold is going nuts. Yep. Let's go to 8 day time frame. Let's see if I can do it on this one here. No, I can't. Let's go to the GLD because that'll be able to do it, won't it? Yes, it will. It will. All right, cool. So one thing I'm looking at here is big breakout bar today, or breakout bar this week. If I go back through here, I want to share something with you. Right? Look at this here. Look, isn't this interesting? When gold was flat for a long time, wasn't it? As you can see here to the chart to the right, you can see gold was pretty flat throughout this entire time. All right, so you can see here that gold was pretty flat through here, right, for pretty much almost a year or so. And then something what happened in the middle of 2007, we actually took off, didn't we, to middle of 2007 into 2008. Now, if I bring my cursor, right, you can see the cursor here, as gold started to take off, even more and more to the upside, look what happened to the stock market, right? So gold finally broke out of this sideways range and then started to take off. But look what happened, right? As soon as gold took off from here to here, right? Now, again, this is over a 4 or 5 month period. You can see how the top, you can see how gold was flat and then gold took off through here. And as gold took off, look what happened in the stock market, right? This here was when the stock market actually finally topped as gold continued to move as it broke out of this sort of sideways range here. You see that? So really interesting times, because if you see this sideways movement and now we're getting out, it shows that, right, the top, it shows that people are very scary. Now, if I bring that back to where we are right now, what's happening right now? We're just breaking out, aren't we? And look what's happening in the stock market here. So that tells me if history is going to repeat itself based on the gold factor, that shows me that history says that right now we're probably maybe 6 months out from the top, maybe a bit longer. I'd say 6 to 12 months out of our top, meaning 6 to 12 months from the next downturn. We're starting to get a very big breakup out of gold finally. Gold's probably going to go for a big run. As gold is going for a big run, we're probably going to start to form an overall top and start the next downturn in the markets. Now, crash, it's not going to be a crash, right? What is a crash? A crash, 2008 crash. 2008 crash was 2008, right? So it's probably going to take some time going down through there. So that's what I wanted to share with you and show you in today's session here. And I hope you enjoyed that. Let me just make sure I do this here. All right, so of course I've got to give my membership a plug, right? If you haven't done so, guys, go to Master Trader Lab. You're going to get the entire Master Trader Lab and get free access to free trial to that. Or if you just simply want to get started in the market, then make sure you grab the free membership access to the brand new Grab the Market by the Balls trading course, and you can see both those links in the description below. So that's what I wanted to cover with you today, guys. Very interesting to see what's happening with gold and the stock market, and we're getting very close towards the top, I would say.